What's up guys? Today I am in the place of Jonathan yet. We're fishing coffee. Now kids cannot be outside right now, but I'm allowed because I'm working. And it was my birthday last year.
Doon ka na!
Ayoko na.
Di naman tayo doon. Kaya yun, kaagad. Wala.
I need when I'm going up, let us going to eat and yummy. In the Philippines, we are choking, and and everything else. But yet,
Ay, malaglag pa yan eh.
there are buses that don't move but just make noise. Nakakapit ako sa kami ni Papa. Ang ganda na kaya kaya ng
Wala kang tatahan siya. Ayan na.
ang window because of the umbrella. Because he has steroids. Because the inhaler has steroids. His body is like pati. Alis na.
Nakasalikod naman.
Baroy at pa. Ang patang. I want to go Jollibee. This is gonna be a long trip, and this is just part 1 and
Kaya mo kuha niya.
part